Okay, we're on day 2 of our building. This is February, remember, so and this is the weather. Bordeaux, so we've got a bit of fog. This will clear by about 10 o'clock. It's 8:30 in the morning now, so I'm just prepping everything to get ready, and then we're going to go to the airfield, ready for this to clear, and then we're going to fly to Bordeaux. Morning. All ready? How do you feel?
Happy, confident.
Ready for another day? Thanks a lot. Cheers. Thank you.
Okay, have a nice day.
Which side did we get off last time? I think it's this side we go. 16-minute wait, so we might as well walk. It's not far to walk. Okay, so we're walking along the tram track. Here's the tram. It's 15 minutes. I think it's probably only 15 minutes to walk to the next junction on the tram. So rather than just hang around, might as well walk. This is where we are today. So the tram's still 13 minutes away on that stop, so we'll just carry on walking. You can see the clouds are clearing now. We're all fueled and ready to go. Bags packed, so we're just going to go. So we just walked down to the junction where we pick up the next tram, and the tram that we was going to catch hasn't turned up or passed us, so burnt a few calories off instead of waiting for the train, and it's also nice to walk.
Destination
Okay, we delayed the flight plan. You can see the sun coming through. It's burning off. We just got to wait now. I'd say half an hour. We've just done the tech logs for yesterday, and I say this is transit flying. Then tomorrow we'll have full-time flying, and we go. See how the hours go then. But we've done just under 5 hours yesterday, and we'll do probably around about 6 today. So we're nearly ready to get out of here. It's just the last bit of fog burning off. Now we're away, so we're just going to check the plane over and get away. All locked up. Oh, just again, just wait, put another delay in the flight plan. Just waiting for this to clear. So we've departed from Sorca, and this is our route across the Bay of Biscay. So basically we just do a direct towards Bilbao, pick up Bilbao, and then the next station's in Victoria. We go to Bordeaux. When you're flying in the mountains, because we're doing a mountain crossing here, make sure you check the winds at different altitudes, and always fly with a separation. When we do this route, we have a 4,000 foot corridor that we use to get to Bordeaux, and we tend to fly 8,000 feet, so that gives us a 4,000 separation from terrain. And also check the winds at different altitudes. You shouldn't be flying in anything that's like 60 knots, because that's just stupid. Enjoyable flight, endurable scenery, great weather, and the winds are around about 10 knots, I think. Example of a Spanish airfield. This is Bordeaux, Lima Echo Victor Delta. It's pretty much in the middle of nowhere, and shared by the military, and it's a massive runway and hardly any traffic comes here. In the winter you probably have about 3 commercial movements if you're lucky. This is Aaron bringing the plane down nicely on the centre line. Okay, we're just fueling up, or just had our fuel put in. So on a spreader for last leg now, back to Granada. Good location for us as well, because it's a 3-hour point from Granada, well 2.5 to 3 hours. So our outbuilders can fly out to this airfield, have lunch, and then fly back to our airfield, and there's a nice little 6-hour trip. Fuel can be bought with a debit card or with a BP card. You also have total cards, mainly for France. See the length of this runway, it's absolutely enormous, but it is at 2,500 feet, so in the summer you can have density altitude here. This is arriving in Granada at the end of the day, so we plan our days so that we use the full day and use all the hours in the day that we can.
Hey.
How you doing?
Hello. Is it good?
Yeah.
Let me play among the stars. Let me see what spring is like on